Is the stock market about to crash in 2025? Investors are panicking, economists are warning, and history seems to be repeating itself. But should you be scared, or is this actually the biggest opportunity of your lifetime? In this video, we'll break down the latest trends, expert predictions, and what you should do right now to protect your money, or even profit from the chaos. Let's dive in. Stock market crash 2025. What's happening? The stock market has been on a roller coaster ride, and as we step into 2025, many experts fear a major crash is looming. But why? What are the key warning signs? And most importantly, how can you prepare? To understand where we're headed, we first need to look at the current economic landscape. Warning signs of a stock market crash. 1. Interest rate hikes and inflation. The Federal Reserve has aggressively raised interest rates to combat inflation. But here's the problem. Higher interest rates make borrowing expensive, slow down business growth, and reduce consumer spending, all of which can lead to a market downturn. 2. Tech Bubble 2.0. Remember the dot-com crash of 2000? Some experts believe we're seeing a similar bubble in 2025, particularly in the AI and tech sectors. Companies are overvalued, profits are struggling, and layoffs are increasing. 3. The housing market's hidden risks. Real estate prices have been skyrocketing, but what happens when mortgage rates rise and people can't afford their payments? A housing market correction could trigger a domino effect on the stock market. What experts are predicting? Some analysts believe a mild recession is coming, while others fear a full-scale stock market collapse similar to 2008. J.P. Morgan warns that the market could drop by 20 to 30% if the Federal Reserve doesn't ease monetary policy. Michael Burry, famous for predicting the 2008 crash, has reportedly placed massive bets against the stock market. Warren Buffett, on the other hand, is sitting on a record amount of cash, waiting for the right time to buy undervalued stocks. How to protect your money? If a crash happens, being prepared is key. Here's what you can do. Diversify your investments. Don't keep all your money in stocks. Consider bonds, gold, and even real estate. Keep cash reserves. Just like Buffett, having cash means you can buy assets at a discount when the market dips. Invest in defensive stocks. Sectors like healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples tend to perform better during recessions. Avoid panic selling. Many investors make the mistake of selling in fear, only to regret it later when the market recovers. Could this be a massive buying opportunity? Here's a little-known fact. Every major market crash in history has been followed by a massive bull run. 2008 crash, the market rebounded and hit all-time highs. COVID-19 crash, stocks recovered and soared. 2025, the biggest investors are quietly preparing to buy when the market dips. So the real question is, are you ready to take advantage of it? Final thoughts. The stock market is unpredictable, but one thing is certain, panic and fear never make people rich. Smart investors don't just survive market crashes, they find ways to profit from them. So, is 2025 the year of disaster, or the biggest opportunity of your life? The choice is yours.